All right, we're in St. Joseph, Michigan at RyeBelle's restaurant. Got this little LULA here. Let's see here. Wow, this thing's slow. Okay then, I guess, well, that's where this whole goes down that whole way. This thing is so slow, I'm not gonna go all the way down to the basement. I do not have all the time for that. I have a limited schedule, unfortunately. LULA. I mean, I think you can definitely tell this thing's a LULA. Dewhurst buttons. Regular LULA size. Finally here. Anyway, how exciting. Probably the most exciting elevator I found here. Just kidding. It literally, I'll show you all where it goes. Literally goes up to there. Literally goes from there down to there. It takes that long. Anyway, that's all.